Here we are in 1973. A new college has been created, and it was a transformational movement.
A student once told us that the accelerators are like a student sanctuary. This is a transformative place. It's an inspirational place. When we're talking about uplifting and improving human lives.
I think it just levels up our game. We've been working in a very kind of small sandbox for 4 years, and now we're really in one of the most technically sound studios probably in the nation.
We're now able to get, like Rosie was an example, get people from non-credit into credit. Adding the bachelor's just gives it one more complete path.
Designers are creating community, they are utilizing the innovations, and they're growing, doing incredible work while they're also creating viable businesses.
When life happened, your professors and the dean of nurses pulled together and say, okay, we're gonna figure this out. Those were the defining moments to me.
Right now is a defining moment for us at the Public Safety Training Center. And it's really based upon bringing Dr. Radford in as a new director.
The truth in TRHT is all about understanding the historical issues and how they've impacted marginalized communities, then talking about solutions. We know that we have the work to do, and we're truly investing in it.
Now we have a 9 lead project throughout the district. ACC is the forefront of the sustainability initiative and leading other higher education institutions in the nation.
As we continue to build more partnerships with faculty, staff, and other partners across the district, the future looks great for diversity, equity, and inclusion. ACC is for everyone, and we're going to prove it.